Hi, this is Ken with Wild Goose Filling. Today we're going to be talking about low flow, high flow, finish flow. We're also going to be talking about Breakout. Here I'm standing in front of a demo machine that offers all the filling technology that the user may see. We have some outdated technology as well as our newer multi-flow technology. We have simple adjustments with this. We have high flow and finish flow on some of the older legacy technology. And we also have that option here with low flow and high flow on our new multi-flow valve as well. We use low flow to pour nice and gentle in the beginning of the pour. This is going to help mitigate foam and control that foam in the beginning of the pour until that fill head is submerged. Then we're going to do a larger, faster pour, which is the high flow. That's going to fill from under the surface of liquid until we get that desired weight. We also have an additional feature called finish flow. Similar to the low flow, it's going to slow it down at the very end to get a nice controlled finish. We're going to have a couple examples of what this looks like here. This is what we'd have as far as an ideal high flow pour. If you look, I can slow it down and we have a low flow pour. The finish flow would actually look just like the low flow, but like I said, at the end of that filling cycle. I can use my tool to either increase or decrease this. You see here, I can open it up. Sometimes this will be handy for instances of breakout. Breakout can happen for a variety of reasons. You have three main factors. You have pressure, temperature, then you also have the carbonation levels. So sometimes if you're in a higher carbonation range, we can use that low flow to pour nice and gentle so we can avoid the breakout and the little buildup of foam in the beginning of the fill. As far as temperature goes, breakout can happen if the product's too warm. That carbonation is going to want to come out of solution. The other factor would be pressure. With the ideal pressure, about 14 to 16 psi seems to be the optimal spot. When you start going under that, carbonation wants to come out of solution, and certainly when you're over that, it's going to be a little more too aggressive, and then you're also going to get the breakout and low weights that you don't want. So with you have high carb, you have temperature, and you have pressure, you can slow down or speed up the pours to get that desired pour and also create the kind of foam that you need to get ideal DO. Hi, this is Ken with Wild Goose Filling. Today we're going to be talking about low flow, high flow, finish flow. We're also going to be talking about Breakout. Here I'm standing in front of a demo machine that offers all the filling technology that the user may see. We have some outdated